Hi, my name is Konstantin. I'm 33 years old and I'm from Brooklyn, New York. I heard it from my friend, so he came here for the surgery a couple of years ago and he was happy with the job that you guys did, and so he recommended me to you. And actually, you did a great job, so I liked it, and that's why I decided to choose this clinic. I basically contacted a bunch of clinics, but your clinic was actually the best comparing to other ones because the response was very quick, and throughout my journey, like he was always answering very quick to my messages. Wherever I had any questions, he was very professional about that. So basically, I started losing my hair maybe like 3-4 years before due to genetics factors, and so I was expecting it like to be just as it was. I mean, the first 5 minutes wasn't really comfortable. It was a little bit painful, but not that much. So after that, I didn't feel any pain, and it was very professional. I felt great. That was amazing. I slept very well. I had 2 oxycure sessions after. I don't feel any pain, so my surgery was just yesterday, and I expected it to be worse. I don't feel any pain. I didn't take any painkillers. The team was very professional today. I liked it. That's very clean, amazing. Like restrooms, their cabinets where the procedures was held. Everybody was very clean and professional. It was amazing. I had the translators all the time. Your translators are great. They speak so many languages. I was surprised, you know. Yeah, that was amazing. I mean, all the journey, it was someone attached to me, and they translated everything perfectly fine. Like, recommend? Yes, definitely, 100%. Thank you so much. I'll probably see you soon again for my dental procedure.